The Constitution, First Amendment Act, 1951. The First Amendment Act amended Articles 15, 19, 85, 87, 174, 176, 341, 342, 372 and 376. In June 1951, the Constitution, First Amendment Act was passed, and the following amendment in the Constitution was inserted. A. After the Article 31, Article 31A and 31B were inserted. B. The clauses 2 and 6 of Article 19 were recast. Please subscribe Kashyap Law Academy for new updates. C. 2. The Article 15. A new clause 4 was added. D. In place of original Article 85. A new article was substituted or new Article 85 talks about the sessions of Parliament. Prorogation and dissolution. A. In Article 87. Clauses 1. Every session substituted by first session, and from Clause 2, the words, and for the precedence of such discussion over other business of the House was omitted. F. For the original Article 174. A new article was substituted. G. In Article 176. Clauses 1 and 2 were recast. H. Clause 1 of Article 341 was recast. And similarly, Clause 1 of Article 342. Subclause A of Article 342. Subclause A of Clause 3 of Article 372. And Clause 1 of Article 376 was also recast. I. After the 8th schedule to the Constitution, a 9th schedule was added and 13 laws passed by state legislatures were included in it so that those acts might not be challenged in courts. The main purpose of the amendment was the removal of certain practical difficulties created by court decisions in several cases, such as in the landmark case 1. Kameshwar Singh vs. the State of Bihar. 2. Romesh Thapar vs. State of Madras. 3. Brij Bhushan vs. State of Delhi. 4. Motilal vs. Government of Uttar Pradesh. Issues in these cases were as follows. A. The scope of the fundamental right to freedom of speech and expression, Article 19, 1a. B. Acquisition of zamindari, land of intermediaries. Conflict between a citizen's fundamental right to practice any profession or to carry on any business or trade, Article 19, or state monopoly of any trade or business. The amendment expressly provided that state trading and nationalization of any trade or business by the state is not being invalid on the ground of the violation of the right to trade or business.